Welcome to day 6. We are born with everything we need for a life of fulfillment and success. But often we measure our love, joy, health, vitality, and other positive qualities by comparing ourselves to someone or something else. Perhaps thinking thoughts like, I have a loving relationship, but not as loving as my friends. Or, I live in a nice house, but not as big as my brothers. Or, I have a good job, but I don't make as much money as my colleague. Such comparisons stem from object referral, looking outside oneself for validation. But an abundant life is not about external comparisons. Instead, a life of fulfillment comes from within, through the knowledge that you were created with everything you need to be happy and successful, and can access those seeds of abundance at any time. Currently, all over the world, many people are experiencing difficult times. When we experience such setbacks, we sometimes feel like we'll never achieve success. Yet, in every perceived failure or setback is the seed of success. In every situation, we have new opportunities to find creative solutions for our problems, redefine our priorities, and explore other options. We begin to view our challenges more positively once we realize that we possess the power to focus our attention on new possibilities. And possibilities for abundance are endless. There are no limits to what we can have. Take the time to look at each situation that challenges you and find those seeds of success that will attract greater abundance into your life. As we prepare to go into silence, let's consider the abundant banquet of life that has been spread before us in all its splendor, and spend a moment focusing on this centering thought. Everything I desire is within me. Everything I desire is within me. Now let's begin. Please find a comfortable position, placing your hands lightly in your lap and closing your eyes. In this moment, go within, to that place of inner quiet where we experience our connection to the higher self. Let go of all thoughts and begin to observe the inflow and outflow of your breath. With each inhalation and exhalation, allow yourself to become more relaxed, more comfortable, more at peace. Now, gently introduce the mantra, repeating it mentally and allowing it to flow with effortless ease. Sat Chit Ananda. Sat Chit Ananda. Everything I desire is within me. Whenever you find yourself distracted by thoughts, sensations in your body, or noises in the environment, simply return your attention to mentally repeating the mantra. Sat Chit Ananda. Sat Chit Ananda. Existence, consciousness, bliss. Please continue with your meditation. I'll mind the time, and at the end, you'll hear me ring a soft bell to indicate it's time to release the mantra. Ram. Ram. It's time to release the mantra. Please bring your awareness back into your body. Take a moment to rest, inhaling and exhaling slowly and deeply. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. As you continue with your day, take with you this sense of stillness and remember today's centering thought. Everything I desire is within me. Everything I desire is within me. Everything I desire is within me. Namaste.